Welcome. Today I'm showing you how to deploy your custody account on BBOD trading platform. For this you will need one of three browsers, Chrome, Firefox or Opera, and you will have to have the MetaMask plugin installed. It's going to be here in the corner. You're going to have your account set up, put a bit of Ether on it. You need very little Ether to create the custody. It is literally just the price of a transaction on the Ethereum network. If you don't know how to create an Ethereum wallet using MetaMask, then we have a very simple and thorough explanation on how to do that. Okay, so let's click Start Trading. I've already registered my account. It's a very simple process. You just need to type in your email, your name, the country of residence, and to create a safe password. Mind you, there is no KYC, no AML, so the system accepts any kind of information. The most important thing is that you confirm your email afterwards. That's all you will have to do. So I've done this already. I'm logging in. So this is the trading platform, but we cannot trade yet because we still have to set up the custody. So I click Account. A yellow bar pops up which prompts me to click it so that I will set up my custody. I click it. Instantly, BBOD recognizes the address of your Ethereum account. And here we'll just confirm. It starts with 0x46EDC, 0x46EDC, and it goes on. You can check it here. And now all we have to do is deploy the contract. Mind you, you always have to have the account selected that you want to see here, that you actually want to connect, because this is the account that you will be connecting. So now I click Deploy Contract. MetaMask instantly shows me a notification that I want to transfer just the amount of money necessary for the transaction. So I'm not actually transferring any Ether, I'm only paying for the transaction of deploying the smart contract. Here, BBOD tells us that 9.2 gas is necessary, 9.2 GWEI, G-W-E-I. So I'm going to use 10, no less than 9.2. If it says 8.2, you use no less than 8.2. The highest I have seen it go is 12, but this depends on how heavily used the Ethereum mainnet is. So now I click Submit, and here you can see, click the transaction hash below to track the generation of your custody address. It's loading, and your work is really done. Now all you have to do is to wait until the Ethereum transaction is confirmed. So at most, it's going to last 10 minutes. Once this is done, you can go to your funds. This banner will only disappear once Ethereum mainnet has fully confirmed that you have the custody set up. But you've done your job completely. Once you've done that, you can deposit money to your cash account and some then to your margin account from the cash account. And then you can start trading straight away. Thank you very much. Welcome to BBOD. Trade the future.